In this video, we're just doing a makeover of a house up here with the pressure washer. Pressure washing the colour bond. As you can see, all the mould and that comes off and all the dirt very easily. This is the other side of the roof. There's some lichen on the solar panels there. They were looking pretty bad, so we just gave them a clean with the water fed pole. Really comes up good once we clean it with the water fed pole, and as you can see the difference in the solar panels. Here we're just pressure washing the driveway, just putting down some algicide before we start, which helps soften up the mould. Just using the 30-inch whirl away. You'll see a big difference in this driveway here, as you can see all the dirt and grime over the years. It doesn't take long for the 30-inch whirl away to blast it away. You can see the difference already there. They always come up really good after we pressure clean them, especially after a couple of days' time, once all the water and that's dried. I'm just showing you the difference on the house wash. You can see under the eaves how dirty and mouldy it is. And there it is once we clean it. It really comes up really good and shines.